If you have never made a dollar trading boom and crash before, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in this video we will be checking out how we can make up to $200 today just with this simple setup, which I will be sharing with you. And of course I will also be showing you how to go about your trading activities so that you can make up to $200 using this same setup. Okay guys, if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos. You need to understand the strategies very well. Practice it on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. I do get lots of messages from some of my subscribers asking me how they can be a successful trader. Probably most of them have lost a lot of money in the past, and of course they've not been able to withdraw from the trading platform. They've just been depositing and losing their money, depositing and losing their money. And most of them decide to trade boom and crash because they feel that it is very easy to come about the blue collar when they are trading. Okay, however, not knowing that there is something called spikes. Okay, the spikes are the sudden reaction that happens whenever you are on boom and crash markets, okay, or charts. Okay, and of course when those things happen, they take out your money immediately. Okay, so that is what has been a major monster while trading boom and crash. However, you can turn this to your advantage if you truly know your onions. Okay, so this is very, very important. So come along with me, let's go straight to the chart and let's see how we can conquer this. Okay, together. This is the simple setup I will be using, and of course it is so simple that even with it you know when to go into the market. Just looking at it within seconds, you will be able to say, okay, this is what I should do, this is what I shouldn't do. Okay, this is very, very simple, and I'm going to be putting you through how it works and how you can take advantage of the market using this simple trading tool. Okay, and of course I will be checking out the assets one after the other. So quickly, let's go straight into it right away. When you see a yellow flag like this, it means that the market is on uptrend, and when you see a red flag like this, it means that the market is on downtrend. And the blue arrow signifies a buy, while the red arrow signifies a sell. Okay guys, you usually get yourself confused, like I've always been saying it. Okay, I've been saying this over and over again in all my videos. The number one thing you should look out for is your trend. Okay, your trend is very, very important. Okay, if you are not good with your trend, then definitely you're going to get it wrong. Okay, so your trend is very, very important, and there are two different ways the trend can go. It is either an uptrend or a downtrend. There is no two ways about it. Once you are able to get this right, then you can always milk the market for a very long time. Even if it spikes and you are in the right trend, then definitely just sit tight, calm yourself, then definitely your money will fall. Okay, your money will come in place. Okay, and of course your balance will grow. Just have that at the back of your mind. Okay, so come along, let's see how it works. Okay, this went on uptrend and it got to the resistance zone. There are two things that can happen there. It is either there is a CIT or probably a BRO, but the CIT should be the first thing that should come to your mind. If the CIT did not work, then the BRO strategy will work. It is as easy as that. So you guys should take advantage of the market like that way. Okay, so the first thing that should come to your mind is your CIT. If your CIT did not work, then your BRO will work. Okay, so this is as simple as this. So you just need to understand all these strategies, and of course you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay guys, let's see how to go about it. Okay, like I said, the first thing that should come to your mind is your CIT. It has gotten to the peak of the charts already, so it means that it is at the resistance zone, and the major one at that point. Okay, so this is a major resistance zone. What we should expect is a CIT. If this is not working, then the BRO will work. Okay, now how do we know when to go into the market? We wait for the red flag to show first. The red flag is showing, and of course we've gotten a sell order. So the next thing we should do is just for us to place an order. Okay, so we can easily place an order somewhere here. We place an order somewhere here. If you're placing an order somewhere here, then definitely we should know that our stop loss, I want to use red color for stop loss, that is why I'm removing that. We should know that we should set up our stop loss, and our stop loss should be at the resistance zone. This makes it very easy and beautiful. I believe we all understand this. Okay, so this will have given us a more selling opportunity. You can imagine placing our order here, then getting our stop loss at the top right here, and this actually got to this level. You can see it sold till it got to this level, and of course I've already taught you how to trail your trade till the very end of the trend. Okay, that is how beautiful it is. Now let's see what this market is giving to us to know if we can still make up to $200 today. Okay, this actually got to the support zone, and it went back on a small buy trend, and of course it got to this resistance zone. It's unable to break out from there at the moment, and of course right now it is selling. If it sells, then we expect it to get to this region. Okay, and of course if it gets here and definitely it breaks out from there, then definitely it will want to get to this region. Okay, but if it does not break out from here, it will try out this resistance zone again, and if it breaks out from that resistance zone, we expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, for our next TP, if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this region. Okay guys, I've explained earlier how you can go about your trading activities. Right now I'm giving you what you should look out for in order for you to make up to $200 using the same strategy. Okay, now let's check out Boom 500. This is Boom 500. It had been on uptrend right from here, played around there for a while, and right there I highlighted that if it breaks out above either this resistance zone or this support zone, it will let us know what we should go for. If it is above, it's going to be a buy. If it is below, then it's going to be a sell. It went above, then you can see it bought for a while before pulling back and going back there to try it out again. So right now it is still more of a buying opportunity, so we expect it to get to somewhere here. If it breaks out above this, then we will have to go to higher time frame to check out the next resistance zone for more buying opportunity. But if it does not break out above that, then we expect it to sell, and it will sell till it gets to this region as our first TP. If it breaks out below that, then definitely we expect it to get to somewhere here as the second TP. Okay, and if it breaks out below this, then definitely we expect it to get to somewhere here, okay, as the third TP. And of course this is very crucial. Okay, so this is very important because it is at a strategic point. Okay, so if it breaks out from here, and definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very important. So you guys should take note of all these TPs and try to apply them so that you can make some good amount of profits for yourself today. Now let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Okay, this actually got to this resistance zone and wasn't able to go further, so it sold till it got here, and the here is a major support zone. Wasn't able to break out from there, gave us the yellow flag, and like I have explained earlier, this is an uptrend, and of course we got our blue arrow here, which signifies a buy order. Okay, so this is very important. You can see it kept on buying. It has gotten to this resistance zone, and of course wasn't able to break out from there. It had a little pullback, so it will be targeting it again. Okay, so if it breaks out from there, then definitely we should be looking at somewhere here. So if it breaks out from here also, then it should get to this region. So we should take note of all these. Okay, so the last asset which we'll be checking out is going to be R500, that is crash 500. Crash 500 had also been on uptrend for a very long time. Starting from the support zone, you can see we add more of the yellow flag, even though the movement is a bit funny, always having short pullbacks, and of course it kept on going that way till it got to this resistance zone, and of course wasn't able to break out from there. So it had a pullback, and of course it will be trying it out again. Okay, so it's still buying, it will be trying this out again. If it gets here and it does not break out from there, to go back on downtrend. But if it breaks out from there, you will have to to check higher time frame, to check the next resistance zone to see how much buying opportunity is going to be given. But if it does not break out from there, to start selling, and this should be our first TP region. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from there, then here should be the second one. If it breaks out from there, then you should know that right here should be a major one. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, you guys should look into this and try to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. I hope you have learned one or two things from here. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, please drop your questions in the comment section. I will be right there to reply you. And of course, do not forget to like this video, and if you want to know more about my trading tools, then you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp details is in the description box below this video, so you can check it out and chat up with me so that we can arrange one for you. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.